Ek skiet hom nog jou kant.
Venda is politically an independent country, sovereign independent country now. This is not the case economically, for instance. What forms of assistance and cooperation do you foresee for the future?
Well, Venda is agriculturally a very sound country, and very few countries in the world are economically completely independent. But what one must see clearly, I think, is that, number one, Venda would become, as an independent state, now a member of the customs union, and therefore it would get a bigger cut from finances from that source than before independence. Then, secondly, Venda will continue to receive economic aid, economic development aid from South Africa. And then thirdly, and that is maybe most important, is that by agreement with the Venda government, an Economic Development Council had been formed. And through that Economic Development Council, which, for instance, 3 people from my department had been appointed, they will obviously get expertise and, where necessary, also development aid on an economic basis. So I think that Venda has a very good economic future ahead. We've learned by experience that after independence, these national states grow economically faster and much faster than before independence. So this is a great day, also economically, in the life of the people of Venda.
Thank you, Doctor. Mr. President, the United Nations Commission on Apartheid has condemned the independence of Botswana previously, and now Venda's. They called it an insult to Africa. What is your comment?
Well, self-determination can never be an insult to any people. It is unfortunate that they speak of our independence without having come out to see exactly what we are doing. Then they would have been in a position to compare us with most of the African states. We are not going to be discouraged. We are determined to go ahead. If I had to do it just again, I'll go through fire to attain the independence I have.
What is the experience of Botswana as an independent state?
Well, the experience of Botswana is an invaluable one. It has been very much worthwhile to opt for independence. It has improved the self-respect people have in themselves. It has made them aware of their human dignity. It has awakened a sense of responsibility and a sense of self-reliance. And there's nothing comparable in our experience to what we are experiencing at present.
And how are your relations with Pretoria at present?
Our relations are fair to good. There are problems, and in any human situation, problems are endemic. We have problems, but our relations are good.
What do you expect is to become of the concept of a constellation of Southern African states?
My hope is that it will be successful, because I think it is essential. And I think those states who would decide to be part of that constellation, I have no doubt will be determined to make it a success.
Thank you. Thank you very much, President. Mr. Botha, what is your comment on the United Nations Commission of Apartheid's rejection of Venda's independence?
I expected it. As a matter of fact, I would have been surprised if they acted otherwise. As a matter of fact, I would have been worried and concerned if they would have embraced the independence of Venda. That would have been a dangerous day for us, I think.
Why?
Because that would have meant that the radicals recognized this country, and that is not very good for all of us.
Mr. Botha, do you think Venda's experience as a sovereign state in the international community would be the same as Transkei's and Botswana's?
Yes, I have no doubt about it. It would be the same. They would not be recognized, which would create difficulties. When I say that I don't care about United Nations recognition at all, of course, but it is a pity that the more responsible states would not go ahead and recognize a country like this. But I do not think that that ought to be our main concern. Our main concern ought to be to welcome Venda within the constellation of Southern Africa states. It's another member of the family that is growing in stature and in influence and in power, I hope.
Thank you. Dank u, meneer Botha. Baie dankie.